nominations for Leaders of Tomorrow, Travel and Hospitality, Highland Holiday Homes, Kessineni Tours and Travels, Tito's Hospitalities, Tamil Selvi Constructions, Sun Facilities Services.
And you may want to listen closely in case you have that Goa holiday planned in mind, because that's our winner this evening. This group promises a unique experience of combining large open spaces, ensuring a boutique experience all at the same time, and you can take off for many more of the exotic resorts spread across the country. So let's say hello to Highland Holiday Homes and welcome the Managing Director, Mr. Devas Nayak.
An entrepreneur would like to be recognized, and if an organization like yours, ET, people like Shampura, then Narayan Murthy, if they recognize and they say, it gives you a lot of strength, your confidence level go up, as a result of which you are bestowed with more responsibility, where you are asking us to do much better.
And we come to the final category for this evening, and that is healthcare and biotech. Let's take a look at the nominees.
The nominations for Leaders of Tomorrow, Healthcare and Biotech are Health Biotech, Hosmac India, Mahasemam Trust, Regenerative Medical Services, Lakeshore Hospital and Research Center.
And our winner in this category is a company that has designed and coordinated over 8 billion rupees worth of hospital projects both in India and abroad. From architecture and engineering healthcare facilities to public healthcare to hospital management, they have done it all. Please join me in applauding our winner tonight, Hosmac India, and welcome on stage the founding Managing Director, Mr. Vivek Desai.
I would say I'm quite amazed because amongst the players which were nominated, we were a little different. In fact, the jury question was that, what differentiates you from the others, and I think there is nothing which is similar between the other players and us, so the feeling is good.
It's now time for a very special award. It's certainly my favorite, and I think Mr. Narayan Murthy, it is your favorite as well. And in order to give away the award, let me ask all our esteemed guests to join us. In fact, I'd like to call out Mr. B.S. Nagesh to please join us on stage, Mr. Sunil Lulla, as well as Dr. Bhaskar Das, and finally, Mr. Dinesh Agarwal. Kindly join us on stage for this very special category. It is for the Women Entrepreneur of the Year Award.
Nominations for Leaders of Tomorrow, Woman Entrepreneur of the Year, Ritu Singhal, Raglan Group, Sangeeta Malik, SM Machines, Priyanka Gupta, Multicolor Projects, Kanchan Naikawadi, Indus Health Plus, Neeta Adappa, Prakriti Herbals.
The spirit of entrepreneurship there is alive and kicking, and let's declare the winner tonight. It gives me great pleasure to welcome on stage Ms. Ritu Singhal, the Managing Director of Raglan Group. We'd like to ask you to say a few words as you win this award. What are your thoughts at this point in time, especially given all the challenges that you've faced?
Good evening. First of all, I'd like to thank India Mart and ET Now. It's simply my honor to be here today because the circumstances I came into business 4.5 years back, when I lost my husband were very, very, very critical. So I give all my honor to my mentor, Dr. Daisaku Ikeda, who taught me not to be really defeated in any circumstances. And I want to thank at this stage my Reglan team, my daughters, and my friends and parents who have been really supporting me, encouraging me. Thank you so much, ET Now and India Mart. Thank you.
These are the stories that inspire the millions across the country and also around the world. Well, it's the final moment of reckoning. It's here now, the award for SME of the Year. And the chosen one was selected by none other than the chairman of the jury, Sam Pitroda, after meeting all the category winners. It was a tough choice, but may the best man win. The award for SME of the Year goes to Tharani Infrastructure. Please welcome once again on stage, Mr. V. Chandrasekhar.
Can you please share your thoughts with us this evening?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, especially the chief guest, ET Now. This was an award quite unexpected. I started my career in a very small way. I thought India is a big country. Let's start walking. And we are following on, sir. It's a long way road. You should have confidence, commitment. You will definitely find the solutions. That is all I can say for the day. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, friends. I thank all my employees, my daughter, my wife, and my friends. Of course, I thank Government of India and many mentors like the corporate world who always stood behind and said, yes, this country gives the opportunity as well. Please bear in mind, there is always an opportunity and you can always win. Thank you.
Now I'm going to call on all the award winners to also join us on stage for one last final time. Congratulations once again to all the winners, and our final confetti blast really was to make sure that everybody in the audience was awake and cheering. We'd request our executive editor to please come up, Mr. Ashitaran, and to give the vote of thanks.
We've had an interesting evening today, and there are many people we need to thank for making this wonderful evening happen. To start with, I'd like to thank Mr. Narayan Murthy for taking time out to give us an inspiring speech. I'd also like to thank our jury members, Akhil Gupta of Bharti Telecom, Shivinder Mohan Singh of Fortis, B.S. Nagesh of Shoppers Stop, Vikram Bakshi of McDonald's, Mr. D.K. Jain of Luxor, Prasun Joshi, McCann Erickson, and business historian writer Geeta Piramal. But most of all, the chairman of the jury, Mr. Sam Pitroda. The jury spent hours meeting and reviewing CEOs of the shortlisted companies. It was a lot of work, and they did it with so much energy, dedication, passion, that it was truly inspiring to watch them go about it. And I don't think we can thank them enough for that. Last but certainly not the least, I'd like to thank India Mart and Hitachi, and Dinesh Agarwal in particular, for not just sharing the excitement for small and medium enterprises, but supporting it wholeheartedly from the word go. Thank you.